Hello and welcome to my February 2019 yoga timetable on my YouTube channel, Sarah Lane Therapies. So you can find each of these yoga videos under the playlist February 2019, and it's a little guide to encourage you to do yoga every day. So there'll be new yoga videos uploaded every Saturday at 6 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time. And you can follow the class every day or follow the timetable every day, or you can choose your classes as and when suits you. So if you prefer to do them on set days of the week, or if you prefer only to do chair yoga classes or a certain style of yoga, you can completely make it your own. But this is just a guide to give you motivation and encourage you to continue practicing yoga every day. So depending on how much time you have, you may want to practice the class on its own. If you have more time, I'd recommend starting the class with a guided breathing exercise. And there's a couple that I have on my YouTube channel. The most basic is yoga breathing for beginners. If you find that you've practiced that for a while and you feel comfortable and you'd like to extend it, there's a deeper practice which is called yoga breathing exercise to deepen the breath. But then there's also the alternative nostril breathing exercise, which is really good to calm the mind if you're anxious or stressed. And then at the end of the class, again, only if you have time, I'd recommend following with one of my guided meditation practices, such as the progressive muscle relaxation, the meditation for stress and anxiety, or the grounding meditation. You can also practice the guided meditations or the guided breathing exercises in the evening before bed to help relax you before sleep. If you haven't watched some of these yoga videos before, or if you're a complete beginner, or if you have any health conditions, I recommend watching the video all the way through before practicing, just to check that it's a suitable level for you and to check if you need to leave any of the yoga poses out or adapt any. I try and say at the beginning of the class what props that you'll need, but it's also good to have a skim through before practicing to check if you might need anything. Always remember to listen to your own body in all yoga classes and only do what feels comfortable. Remember, you can always pause any of the yoga classes until you get into a comfortable position. And remember, the more you practice anything, the more natural and relaxing it will become. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. You can find this on my website, www.sarahlanetherapies.co.uk, under the tab 30-Day Yoga Challenge, where you can download it to print or to keep on your phone or your computer to help encourage you to practice yoga every day. So if you would like to encourage yourself to do this, it's good to have the support of family and friends. So maybe share this with your family and friends and encourage them to do it along with you. If you have any requests of types of yoga classes that you'd like to see next month, please leave me a comment below and any other comments. I appreciate all of the comments I've had so far and the encouragement I've had from my yoga students. If you do like any of the videos, if you click on the like button, so I know which videos are more popular and so I can help me create better yoga classes in the future. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy this month's yoga challenge and I look forward to seeing you in your next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.